Welcome back. Let's do question 231. Simplify the following completely. So we have a binomial times a trinomial. It's a product of a binomial and a trinomial. So 2y must multiply every term in the trinomial and 3 must multiply every term in the trinomial. So we can use our arrows. 2y times 7y squared, that is 14y cubed. Then 2y times negative 6y, that is negative 12y squared. And then 2y times negative 8, that is negative 16y. We have distributed 2y, now let's distribute 3. 3 times 7y squared, that is positive 21y squared. 3 times negative 6y, that is negative 18y. Then 3 times negative 8, that is negative 24. Then we can simplify, we can add or subtract like terms. So 14y cubed is just on its own, 14y cubed. And then we have negative 12y squared plus 21y squared. This is positive 9y squared. And then negative 16y minus 18y, negative 34y, and then the constant, which is negative 24. So this is the simplified expression.